a service laptop, right?
Yeah.
You gotta do a square root.
No,
Maybe the very
No, this is solving right now. We're not moving.
I wanna.
So square root on both sides, so you end up with, 5/3, right?
Like, so people off. You can like turn off and on, look. Off. On. Not I know, I've researched those certain.
Here,
I chose the.
squared it, subtracted 4/9
I
from
didn't put
both
so much,
sides,
too much time, but.
and then got
I heard that.
5/9 squared root. Here, 5/9, no,
And I wanna make this. And then of course, it's later.
because your input's wrong. But yes, you will square it. It's just your input's wrong.
I'm confused.
Okay.
So why can't I just do this to find? Hold on.
So your tangent,
Yeah.
and then you
Or
said
maybe it
that
would be the same.
tangent squared is the same thing as 1 over secant? Or
Maybe
Yeah.
The formula is that tangent squared.
This little.
It was
Yeah, I
the
think
normal formula.
I split up. I don't wanna redo it. Split.
Tangent squared plus 1.
Yeah,
Or
that
tangent squared.
would probably do it.
Yeah, otherwise secant and tangent would be exactly the same.
Yeah, that didn't make sense.
Okay.
Yes. Mine's now slightly better home.
Yeah, good question. Hey, everybody, I think I confused you earlier, because I had like 3 people ask me about this, so let me explain. In the homework you're doing, you can cross the line all you want. We're not doing any proofs. We will be doing proofs later in this course. I was just trying to prove to you that this formula was real, okay? In your homework, you can solve equations like normal, you can cross the line like crazy. Later in future sections, we will be doing trig proofs, and at that point, I'll tell you when you can't cross the line. But right now, you can't. So sorry, it's not just you. Like, a lot of people ask me that. Wait, yours?
This is white. It's not only this one.
Okay, I actually thought the exact same thing when I was your age. It took me a while for somebody to convince me otherwise. Some of the best math I've learned was from being wrong and being so okay with being wrong for so long. And nobody ever explained it well to me that when I understood. Like for a very long time, I thought f of x meant f times x, and no one corrected me. Years. And not only was that embarrassing, but now as I'm a teacher, I'm like, it's not f times x, everyone. Like it's a big production with me, because I made that mistake. All right. I am looking for a team that is interested in coming up here to show us their work. Hands up, talk to your partner. The answers are over there.
I'm not explaining.
One, 2, 3.
Did you get us?
Yeah, you're 1. Two.
Let's see if I can explain it as well.
When I was in college, I did this course called College Geometry, which were ridiculously hard geometric proofs. The proofs were so hard, I went to UW-Madison, that on our final, our professor gave us 3 proofs to figure out and gave us a week to do it and said, work with whoever you want. Look up anything you want on the internet. Go ahead. And we're like, oh. So we worked like in a team of like 10. And we worked it, and I figured out one of the proofs, by the way, and then totally depended on other people for the other 2. But we eventually figured it out. And then you'd have to write it up using this math program, which would take you like hours to do. It was really difficult. But when you finally would figure out the proof, like the enthusiasm, which we would write QED on our papers, was like ripping through the papers like, ah, like just so incredibly mad and excited at the same time. A lot of rage. Go on.
Okay, so 4/3 has been given to us, and the formula we've got then is 4/3 squared plus 1 equals secant squared theta.
Which is tangent squared plus 1 equals secant squared?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so what we have to do is like convert the 1/1 to like a 9/9. And that gives us 25/9 equals secant squared theta.
Okay. Give her a little bit.
Yeah. Alright, and then we put both sides under square root. And then what is it, 5/3 equals secant squared. Okay. Now,
Positive or negative?
huh? Oh, positive. Wait, oh, it's negative. Because it's quadrant root.
This is quadrant root.
Okay. Now, yeah.
It's hard to follow your own work.
Yeah, my work's really better. Next we find, stop, you know what, he should just go for it. Cotangent. Because we just put tangent and then flip it around because you multiply by 1/1.
Right?
And it's 1/1 times.
Divided by, yeah, times then flipping it, yeah. And we're gonna, you've done that so much that I don't expect you to show me that work. You can just flip them now. Keep going. You can flip secant too.
Yeah. I don't. Okay, now, we have to find. What are we doing now?
You still need sine or cosecant.
Okay, sine.
Natalie, can you circle all the answers you have so far? Okay.
Okay, we'll find sine, which of course I didn't write down the formula. Just want words on it. What did I do? Oh, wait, isn't it just tangent divided by 1? No.
Nope. So sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1? Is that what you guys used?
Yeah.
Well, I did, so like tangent is sine over cosine, so I took tangent times cosine.
Oh, that's very smart.
So,
That's awesome. Write it that way.
okay.
So write sine over cosine equals tangent. And then I guess you filled in what cosine and tangent was?
Or wait. But yeah.
Yeah. That's fine. You're probably the only person who did it this way. Anybody else do it this way? That's very nice. And it's negative?
What are the last ones, cosecant?
Yeah.
Oh, no, you got one. Oh, you flip it. That's the one you flip.
Gorgeous. All right, did anybody else try doing it this way that Natalie did?
I thought about it, but then I just did.
Okay, I'm gonna explain that in a second because I'm guessing most of us are like, what did she even do?
Yeah.
Right? Okay, I'll decode Natalie in 1 second. Natalie and Anders, out of all the prizes I own.
Nothing, I don't just.
No, yes you do. Yes you do.
I didn't really do much.
No, you do. I'm just gonna give you the dumbest prize then. Dumbest one I have. You want me to pick the dumbest prize I have? Yeah? I'm going to pick this glow stick necklace for you, sir. I have no idea. Probably not. Busy? Aww. Natalie?
Can I get a duck?
You get a duck?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you can. You know how many times I felt like, one time I opened up my closet and literally like a wig fell on me, and then like my Bigfoot costume fell out, and then like as I was picking that up, like one of these things like poured over, and like a whole bunch of like camels and stuff came out. How's it going, buddy?
We got your timber.
Okay. And at that point I was like, thank you. At that point I was like, oh, I'm the weird teacher. Got it.
You didn't realize that before, yeah?
No, I didn't realize that I was the weird teacher.
That's literally the same half a day.
Hello? Hi. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, she just wants